Hi, have you ever found yourself in a situation where it's difficult to crack a problem? You guys are brainstorming, trying to figure out what the best scenario would be or the best way out. Then listen to this. So there's a book written by Dr. Bono. It's called The Six Thinking Hats. And the method actually is designed to help you solve difficult problems, to help you brainstorm and think through difficult problems. So if you are interested, come along with me. It's very short. He has 6 thinking hats, and it's a tool for group discussions and individual thinking. It involves wearing different hats. So the way you go using this method is to look at each problem and then use a hat, one of his hats, to review the problem. So usually, let's say there are 6 of you brainstorming a problem. A person can wear a hat to review that problem. So let's start. So the first hat is the white hat. So whoever is wearing the white hat will be talking about facts, just facts and information, nothing else, pure facts. So whoever is wearing the white hat would approach the problem focusing on objective data and facts. When wearing the hat, you gather and analyze information, you seek out relevant data and identify what is known and what needs to be known. Just facts, no emotions, no sentiments, nothing. So that person can go on the board and say, I'm wearing the white hat and these are the facts of the matter. Nobody interrupts him or her. Then another person will wear the red hat, or the same person can, now I'm taking down the white hat, now putting on the red hat. So the person wearing the red hat, it's all about emotions and feelings. You can take up the chalk or the pen and go to the board and say, okay, now let's look at the emotional and gut feeling. You know, when you say, I feel that we should do this, I just think we should do this because, you know, this will make people happy or not happy, or the power of intuition. This is where it comes in. I have a feeling that our competitors are doing X, Y, Z. This is what the person with the red hat will be doing. The person with the red hat acknowledges emotions, gut feelings, acknowledges the importance of intuition and emotional reactions without needing justification or analysis. So you can ask this person, what proof do you have? This is just a feeling, intuition, and they can be right. Most of the time, there's an important part to wearing the red hat. You know how we say in strategy that we say don't be emotional when you're making decisions, but at the end of the day, every decision is made emotionally. There's no running away from the red hat. The third hat is the black hat. This involves caution and critical judgment. So whenever you are wearing the black hat, it involves critical thinking, identifying potential problems and risks. It focuses on the negative aspects, focuses on caution, focuses on why something may not work. You know, there is this thing that a group of army members, I've forgotten the country now, they say whenever everybody says something is going to work, somebody must stand up and say this thing will not work and give reasons. So this is basically what this black hat is doing, is to say this is why this will not work. And you are not supposed to argue with that person. You just want to listen out to the downsides of the project. That's it, the black hat. Then you have the yellow hat. So whenever you put on the yellow hat, or either you or somebody else is putting on the yellow hat, the person is talking about the optimism and the benefits and the good things that can happen. So it centers on positive thinking, benefits, opportunities. This hat looks for value, for the feasibility of the ideas, for highlighting the optimistic sides, the potential positive outcomes, everything good that can happen. How this, you know, it's basically like this person is selling the product, that the person wearing the yellow hat. And then the fifth hat, second to the last hat, is the green hat. So the green hat, you just imagine green for new things. So the person wearing the green hat is going to take the pen, go to the chalkboard and say, hey, you know what? Let's talk about new ideas. Let's talk about creativity. So the person wearing the green hat approaches the problem, encouraging creative thinking, innovation, exploring alternatives. When wearing this hat, you brainstorm, you think outside of the box, you consider new possibilities, you consider new solutions. You forget about things you've done before. You're just looking at new things. Like green grass. Just imagine green grass growing on a virgin fertile soil, right? That's the person wearing the green hat. And the last hat is the blue hat. So the blue hat is about control and process. So whoever is wearing the blue hat manages the thinking process and ensures that the 6 hats method is followed effectively. This hat oversees organization, planning, and regulation of the other hats. So the person wearing the blue hat is the person making sure that everybody in the room is following the rules. Make sure you don't argue, you don't oppose, you don't interrupt, you keep to your lane. And at the end of the day, this has really worked for me, for my organization, and I'm sure if you practice it, it will work for you. And kudos to Dr. Edwards Bono. You have helped a lot of people more than you know. And I hope you will try using this to solve difficult problems, even in your life, personal life. You can have a personal problem, use the 6 thinking hats. Just say, okay, this is my emotional hat, and write it down. These are the facts. Write it down, and you will see how much you'll be able to achieve brainstorming through using this 6 thinking hats technique. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in another video, and please subscribe to my videos. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much.